Yo YouTube, what is up? I am back with a brand new video. Here today I'm going to be talking about the workwear jacket that Revenge just dropped with Playboy. Now Revenge has never collabed with any other brand, so this is specifically their first collab with any other brand, Playboy being their first brand. Now a lot of people had a lot of things to say about them collabing with Playboy. A lot of them were like, oh, this is kind of corny and it's kind of cheesy, and oh, I don't want to wear Playboy, and oh, that's immature and this and that. But I honestly see it as a good thing that the brand is going to be working with other brands, and that just gives me hope for other collabs in the future. I've seen them actually teasing a pair of Vans that they're working on and different things like that, so that would be very interesting. But here today I'm going to be reviewing the work jacket that I copped from the most recent drop. And this jacket, man, this jacket is just so awesome. It's fully embroidered, and the embroidery on this jacket is just amazing. Like, they did an impeccable job with the bunny on the back. On the front it says Revenge in like a old English type of font. The fit of the jacket, I want to say it's kind of more of a springtime jacket. It's not really like something that's meant for the winter time. It's actually pretty light, and I like to throw it on every now and then when it's raining or something like that, or whenever I do get the chance to wear it. It is such an awesome piece. I love layering with it and everything, and just overall the craftsmanship on the embroidery is just crazy. And I really was skeptical about spending this much money on the jacket, because I mean, it was a steep price, but I honestly do not regret it. And I know that a lot of these pieces have value. Once they sell out, they don't really restock again, so this will be a piece that probably years from now people will be looking for who are into Revenge, and might even just be trying to collect just because this is like their first collab and everything. So I really cherish this piece. This piece was important to me just because I wanted something to celebrate my birthday. Birthday's coming up in a month, so I figured, why not go for the jacket? The jacket was like my main priority, and it was like one of the first pieces that sold out. The second piece was the embroidered hoodies. I didn't go for the embroidered hoodies because they were pretty much the same price of the jacket, so I went for the other hoodie that is a screen print of the Revenge logo, and it's like in little bunnies, and I think that was pretty dope. Now, I haven't received that hoodie yet. I have bought the pink one, but I'm not really worried about receiving the hoodie right now. It's still pretty hot, and I know a lot of people from the last drop of July 19th are still just now receiving their orders, or they haven't received their orders yet. And also, they're still trying to get orders out from the past drops with Ski Mask and Juice WRLD. So I'm understanding. And they've been also just updating us on a lot of the problems that's been going on with the shipping, and just them working on getting a better shipping system so this doesn't happen again. So they have just completely said that this is going to be their last drop for a while until they get things under control. Now, personally, I think that they should hire like more people, or just some type of shipping team, instead of just trying to do everything all in-house, and it just being so weird and just so unorganized. Now, I got this jacket, I want to say within like a week or so, which it was crazy because I didn't expect it to come this fast. Like, literally like 2 days after the drop, I received a shipping confirmation, and then it was just like probably like a couple days later I received the jacket. Now, a lot of these pieces were like already made, so I understand that, and some of the pieces from the previous drops weren't made yet, and they're being made, and it's going to take some time. But some people who haven't received their July 19th stuff, I still think that's kind of weird, because that stuff was already made, and they have like tons of orders to ship out over a bunch of places. So it's a lot going on in the world with virus, and it just ruining shipping and just everything in general. So I would just say, if you have ordered anything from Revenge, because I know a lot of people in my last video have been asking me about different things with the shipping, and I just would like to say, hey guys, just be patient and just keep an eye out, just keep checking on it every now and then, and just understand that they're trying to work as hard as they can. They're sending out thousands of orders like daily, like each day, and I just want to say, just keep hope, because I see a lot of people like giving up, or a lot of people who haven't bought from Revenge before, they're kind of confused. And yeah, it's kind of confusing, but I'm used to this thing with buying streetwear and different things like that. It's always going to be a wait for some items, especially if it's like a pre-order, which some items were. Now I think that they should do more to like express that, instead of just like, oh, here's a drop, boom, but the items are not made yet. So but yeah, this jacket is a really good cop, and I just really overall just love styling it and what I wear it with, and it's just such a great piece, and it literally goes with everything in my closet, and it's really versatile. And my main purpose of buying this jacket was to have something light that I can wear to work, that I wouldn't have to worry about it being too bulky or different things like that. And I do not regret this purchase at all. If you're thinking about buying one, I would definitely recommend it. Now I know that resale is like on a little bit of the pricier side. I've seen like some good listings for some around affordable prices, but yeah, I want to say thank you for watching my other videos. Thank you for supporting the channel, and also just subscribe, drop a like. I'm gonna be definitely bringing more reviews from the other Revenge items that I get in the future that are supposed to be coming, let's say whenever. And also other different items that I ordered in the past that I'm still waiting on. But thank you for watching the video. Peace out.